On certain nights, after the last tram has gone by, the people of Grenoble are treated to this strange sight. Their public transport authority has to regularly carry out grinding operations, because if this is not done, this is what the surface of the tram rails would look like. One of the defects we find on the rails is what we call undulatory wearing, which is a succession of hollows and bumps which lead to different problems for both the track itself and the people who live along the tram route. Pascal Baudouin and Henri Bolland have been working for more than 10 years in the field of measurement on rail networks, namely for the Semitag, the transport authority for the Greater Grenoble area. In August 2010, they founded the company Teamfer, a small business based in Cessin in Isère, which now employs 3 people. The business is specialized in the design, manufacture and marketing of measurement tools. A part of mechanical design is subcontracted, but the computer design and data processing are carried out by Teamfer. And here's their latest model, the UOTrack measurement trolley. We had the idea of developing a multifunction trolley and then equipping it with specially adapted onboard tools. The apparatus we designed enabled us to detect and quantify the undulatory wear found on rail tracks. The main advantage of UOTrack is that it enables the continuous measurement of undulatory wear. Prior to this development, there were different tools that could be used to take spot measurements at a particular location along the rail. So it was impossible to conduct measurements for an entire network like this, because it would have taken years to do what we can typically achieve with this trolley in one day. Here we have a computer that is used to obtain data measured by sensors placed on the rail. In this way, the operator has a real-time screen view of the curves he's in the process of measuring. Why did we begin by looking at undulatory wear? Because the Marseille Tramway Authority issued a European call for tender last summer, for which we put in a bid. We then decided to develop this tool as a priority over others. The novelty is really in making a small trolley that can go anywhere, which from a price point of view enables tramway authorities to conduct this type of measurement. The trolley in this configuration with 2 ski-like devices to simultaneously measure wear on both rails of the track costs between 35 and 40,000 euros. A lot of the help we received through the Isère Chamber of Trades and Crafts related to contacts, such as putting us in touch with potential service providers and helping with the management of patent rights. It wasn't only subsidies and financing. There's a whole context where the Chamber really helps industrial craftsmen like us to develop their products at minimum cost and, above all, minimum risk. We therefore won the contract with the Marseille Transport Authority and delivered our first trolley to them in April of this year. Regarding the market for UOTrack, every town is exploding with tramway development at the moment. And all of these towns will need this type of tool to carry out preventive maintenance on their tracks. The prospects for this trolley are enormous, even in the French market alone.